reckon?
It feels really good.
Tell you what though, they're going very minimal sort of look here.
Well, what else do you need? You're helping someone envision how they're going to live in the space. I love this couch, but I do wonder, this is quite a big family home. They're seating 30 around that island bench, so this is the living room that they've got with it. I like the mixed use of material on that wall. There's so much interest over there. The light well, for one, being angled like that, I love it. The timber, which ties back into the kitchen. I really, in particular, like this dining table. Love the round leg. That's
nice.
Beautiful.
I haven't seen the others finished yet, but for me already, I'm feeling this is going to be one of the best amongst them all. And I think come sale time, I think this is really going to be hard to beat. Geez, I hate mirror TVs. This is a living room. Why are you trying to hide a TV in a living room?
Especially when you've got it on a bright white wall. This room feels so disjointed to that room. This feels like a different place. I feel like I'm in an industrial apartment in here. And I mean the dining table.
Looks small, doesn't it?
That's the kids' table. Look at the scale of that island bench. Beautiful,
Grand,
fits
big.
perfectly in that overall space. And then look at like
Tiny little, it does look small.
tiny table. And I hate the way that this is styled. That is awful. I hate that sofa. That is just yuck.
They could have done a modular. Maybe I should become a designer.
Maybe I should be a builder.
It's not hard being a designer.
Not hard being a builder.
This wall is growing on me every time I come in.
I actually love the wall. I'm not sure how I feel about the LED above it. That makes me feel like I'm in an office.
No, I like the LED. Imagine at night time just having that on, having a few glasses of red in front of the fire.
Nah.
It'd be beautiful.
Nah. The one thing that I do get from here, which I love, is that I feel quite warm and homely in here, and I think that's because of the heavy textural elements, the darker window covering. I'm so just really confused. I don't know, this also feels quite disjointed to this. The only continuity here is the curves that they've got in the wall.
How does it feel disjointed, exactly?
Because there's none of this texture over here.
Like the way I'm seeing it, I'm seeing timber and timber.
They should
I'm
have
seeing
thought,
earthy materials.
That's not an earthy material, that's a reconstituted stone. That is fake.
I know.
This is fake.
That's a fake earthy wall.
No, it's not.
Well, it is. It's not rammed earth, it's a fake sort of thing.
It's not supposed to be rammed earth. That is not supposed to be a rammed earth wall. Completely different aesthetic. Rammed earth walls is smooth. That's not smooth.
Okay. I'm liking this vibe.
I like this vibe too. I'm just wondering why they've got the fireplace shoved in the corner like that.
Yeah, but having the fire there allows you to have the TV in the centre, have this set up and then have a dining room.
What's the point of having a fire? It's not actually going to radiate any heat to where it's needed.
I think as a feel, as a whole now,
Yeah.
it really works well with the kitchen and over here.
I particularly like the pop of black in this stool, and
Yeah.
I think probably they could have used that more substantially over here. This for me is all quite wishy-washy. I like it.
I like it. As an overall, they've got a great sized dining table. They've
Yep.
got a really good living area.
Yep.
Okay, you're not happy with the fireplace, I am. I like it, to be honest. I think it's pretty good as is. And I think
Okay, I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm
Yeah.
just saying how they could have improved on zoning the space.
Yeah.
When you're getting to this level
okay, yeah, I understand.
and you're
Yeah,
producing
yeah.
really good rooms,
Don't
they're
yell
the
at me.
things. I will yell at
just
you
here.
because you keep shutting me down. Oh dear.
What do you mean, oh dear?
What is this?
That's where you go after you're finished on the couch, watching telly, and you go and have your glass of red in front of the fire.
We're not delivering a kitchen this big and then having a 3-seater with no dining table.
So they're saying the way they've styled this is where you have dinner.
That's what you do in an apartment. This does not make up for not having a dining table.
Is it going to affect the sale of the house though?
Absolutely. They need to get rid of this and put a dining table of some sort in here.
No, you know what? Hats off to them. Every week they've gone against most other people. You know, they've gone bold.
Okay, well
They've
they
done
have
bold design, bold colours,
and
they've gone bold again this week.
No, I'm all for bold design and bold colours.
And that's bold.
This is a severe function issue of a family home. They will literally cut half their market out.
No, they won't.
Yes, they will. You know they will.
No, I'm good on them. Like it, love it. Love this space. Beautiful.
I can't. I just can't.
I've got a clear chump straight off the bat. House 2. Ugly brick feature wall. I just don't. It's just not me.
Oh, such a letdown for that space.
Is that your chump?
It's pretty damn awful.
So who's your champ?
My champ would have to be House 1 for me. Champ for sure.
Yeah, House 1's whole feel is really nice. I'm going House 5 as a winner for me this week.
Oh my God.
I think that quality of workmanship in there is on point.
Are we going to have an argument on the way home?